What's up guys, in this video we're going to be changing out yet another CV boot. I actually don't do a lot of these on my channel, fortunately, but we have a ripped CV boot on this, so I'm going to show you how to change that out. So let's get into it. Today it is the inner CV boot that has torn there. 6-year-old boot, it's been through a lot, but it's lasted quite a while. Just time to change it out, I guess. So in this video we're going to be changing out the inner CV boot here on the Terra 550. Well, I thought I just had the inner CV boot to replace, but I actually found this one was ripped too, so I gotta replace it too. These boots I got, they are trimmable, so you have a smaller inside diameter and a larger outside diameter. So you need to figure out which one you need and then slip that on. So on these I trimmed them down to the small diameter, and that's the one we're going to use on here. So then we can fill this with grease and stick it back together. So to trim that, you just use a razor blade. You're just going to slice them right here. So then you'll have a boot like that size. You've got that little notch there to slide it in. And that is the inner boot. And you have your outer boot here. We're going to stick about 1/3 of the grease in the outer boot. Alright, you can stick this outer clamp on. Now these are not my favorite type of clamps, so you just rotate this around. Then you just flatten it down. Alright, well, we're all replaced on this one. Good to go. Got the CV boots in there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below if you want to see more of this content. Share this video with a friend, or if you find something helpful on the channel, be sure to share it with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next video.